Alright guys, it's that time of year where we gotta start thinking about rifle hunts. I'm just gonna quickly show you an option to carry your rifle. These are our gun bearers. So we have our standard option, which this option fits our packs specifically. That comes in a right hand and a left hand. And then we have our universal option. So the universal option fits any pack in the industry. It doesn't have to be ours, it can fit any of them. We have the short strap and then the long strap. This is our highest selling item. I use it specifically. It's a very easy way to carry your rifle and kind of be able to hit it off to get at the ready pretty fast. So if you have any questions, definitely hit us up and we'll go through it. Alright guys, so here it is attached to the pack and then on me obviously. So right here, the cradle attaches to the waist belt with the 3-bar sliders. And up here, the shoulder strap attachment attaches to the 3-bar slider below the sternum strap. You can do that and you can move your 3-bar slider up and down to kind of get the pitch of the rifle if you want it down more or if you want it up. And then you can do the same here. So there is a buckle right here that releases right there. You can drop it lower or you can tighten it up and be able to bring it up as far as you want. But that's just a quick rundown of the gun bearer and how you have it set up. You can look and see that thing's in there tight, definitely not coming loose. So there it is, set up like that. And if you have any questions, definitely hit us up and we'll help you out. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to attach the universal gun bearer attachment to a competitor's pack. We're going to use our pack as an example, but mainly this is the long strap here, which is what mainly everyone wants to get for their backpacking pack because everyone will have a wider hip belt. People can think this is too long, but I'm going to quickly show you how to attach it and then you'll see. So take it off here. You want to make sure this part's out. Wrap it under. Get up through like that. Wrap it back around. And there you go. So you have that attached to the belt. And I'm going to show you how to attach the shoulder strap attachment here. So here, make sure that's pointing out. Wrap it around. Right there through the shoulder strap. And boom, you got it attached there. Let's just quickly show you how to attach it. And right there on the waist belt. There you go. Alright guys, I'm going to quickly show you the difference between the 3 different gun bearers that we have. We have our standard, which the standard fits our packs specifically. There is a right-handed option and a left-handed option, just depends on your dominant hand. And then we have the universal gun bearer, so this is the short gun bearer and this is the long. The difference between these is mainly just because of your hip belt size. It's the depth and then the thickness of it. I always recommend someone to get the long strap just because you're going to be safer with more to work with. But if you're using like an EDC belt or something really small, then you're going to want the short strap. We also sell these in the universal combo, so you can get one cradle with both of these straps just in case you're unsure. But those are our options, and if you have any questions, feel free to hit us up.